All right, so let's add some feet on this guy. So I'm going to just tab into edit mode. I'm going to grab the face on the bottom. I'm going to push the period on my keypad and zoom in a bit, although maybe not that much. Let's roll back out a little. And I'm going to push E on my keyboard to extrude. And I'm just going to drag this down a little bit. Now, I think what I will do is I will push S to scale, and then looking at my gizmo, I will scale specifically on Y. So S and Y. And let's just make this bigger. Note I have proportional editing off. And then what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and I will grab this on Y and slide it forward. And then for good measure, I think I will also scale this on X just a bit. Okay, now let's add a little geometry. So I'm going to do some loop cuts. I'm going to make sure I'm in edge select mode. I'll select one of these edges and I'm going to Control R, and I'm going to roll my mouse wheel so that I get two of those loops. And I'm going to hit enter twice. And there we go. Maybe what I will do is I will grab the sole of the foot one more time and I will extrude down just a bit to get a little bit of a flat. There. For the moment, that should do.